My name is Burhan Ali. We're here today. I purchased a GLB 250 for my wife. It's her anniversary, and I love you with all my heart. You're special to me and forever. I work with a great guy called Don. Thank you so much for your help. I appreciate you for keeping this a secret and surprise at the same time. I just love the night package, black on black, third wheel. I was eyeing for a couple of months, so do a little research on it and finally landed once. This is the first Mercedes that I purchased for my wife that became in our family. So let's just keep going the legacy. More to come in the future. Hey, my name is Burhan Ali, and I purchased today GLB 250 Magnum with the premium package.